Halito. So today I want to go over the phrase ont falama. Ont falama. And so ont means to go and. To go and. And then falama means to return or to come back. And so ont falama means to go and come back. So to use this, let's just say you're about to go to Walmart and you want to tell somebody, Walmart ont falama-lachi. Walmart ont falama-lachi. So you're telling that person, I'm going to Walmart and coming right back. I'm going to Walmart and back. Now if you wanted to ask somebody, Walmart ontish falama-chihom. Walmart ontish falama-chihom. Are you going to go to Walmart and back? Are you going to go to Walmart and back? So ont falama, to go somewhere and come back. I hope this helps, and I hope you use it. Hachapi salachige.